Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. In this video, we will set click listener on the post image. When we click on the post image, it will open in new activity that will be view image activity. When I click on this image, let's say I click on this image, you can see here it will open in the next activity. Also, you can see here we have button. When we click on this download button, it will download the image in our download directory. You can see here it's downloading. So first of all we need to create new activity. So here we will create new activity. So right click new and select empty activity. So I call it image view activity and click on finish. Okay, now go to activity image view.xml and here we will design our activity. So here we will add our image view. So image view that will be match parent, again match parent and give the ID. So I simply give image view. Okay, now close it and go to design and add the constraint on this image view. So click on this button. Okay, so click on this button, it will add the constraint from all side. Okay, now go to image view activity.java. Here we need to initialize our image view. So I will create image view again here and simply call it image view. Okay, now initialize it image view equal to find view by id r.id.image view. Okay, now we need to hide our status bar. So here we will call get window dot add flag. So window manager dot layout params dot full screen flag full screen, and again we need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, this line will remove our status bar because we want to show our image on full screen. Okay, here we need to get the URL of that particular image. So we need to open our main activity and open our method where we have to load our post. You can see here we have load post, and when we click on the image we have to open our new activity. So here we will set click listener on this image. So holder dot post image dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, inside this method we need to send URL of that particular image to next activity. So here we will create first intent and call it intent equal to new intent, and this is our main activity, and target activity is our view image activity. So image view activity dot class. Okay, now we will attach our URL to this intent. So intent dot put string extra. So put extra, and here I will call it URL, and here we need to pass our image URL. So here we need to get URL. So I will get the URL from model dot get image post image URL, and finally we need to start our activity. So I will call it start activity and pass the intent. Okay, now in next activity here we need to get the URL. So I will create string URL equal to get intent dot get string extra, and here we need to pass our key. So our key is URL. Okay, now we will use Picasso dot get dot load, and here we will pass our URL dot into, and here we need to pass our URL. Sorry, it's image view. Okay, now first run the application. Okay, our application successfully running. So let's click on this image. You can see here it's open in next activity. Okay, now we need to add our download button. So go to activity image view, and first we need to add black background. So here I will select background. So here we need to select color black. Okay, now we need download button. So I will create vector asset. So right click on any package. So select vector asset, and here we need to select download button. You can choose any of them. So let's say I select this one. You can select any button. IC download, and here we need to change it into white. Let's say I select white color and choose next and finish. Okay, now drag image view here. Okay, and here we need to select that download button, so I will select IC download, and here you can see it's appear here. We have to change our width, select a margin little bit from left, sorry, right and top. Okay, now we need to change our width of this IC download, so go to drawable, and here we need to select our download button. So here we have download button, go to text, and here we need to change our width into 100 dp. Let's say I select height into 100 dp. Okay, let's go back to our activity, and here you can see now it is in big size. So if you want to change also, you can change here. Let's say I select here 80 dp. You can see here size is decreased. Also you can select height into 80 dp. Okay, now it's looking good. So we will give the ID. So let's say I give btn download, and we have to initialize it. Here we will again create btn download, and again we have to initialize it. Just duplicate this line, and here we will change btn download, and also here we have to change btn download. Okay, now when we click on this download button, we have to download our image. So btn download dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So here we have to download our image. So I will create method here, download image, and press alt enter to create this method inside this activity. Okay, here we need to download our image, so here we need to create download manager. So here we need to create first URI. So URI equal to URI dot parse, and here we need to pass over URL. So here you can see here we have URL, so I will pass it inside this method. So press alt enter to make variable inside this one. So here we have to create string URL. Okay, here we need to pass our URL. Okay, now we will create download manager. So download manager, and I call it download manager, and here we need to pass get system service, and here we will call download service. Okay, now press alt enter to typecast it. So press alt enter to typecast it. Download manager dot request, and request equal to new download manager dot request, and here we need to pass our URI, and here we need to set visibility. So request dot set visibility download URI, and here we need to pass our true. So request dot set destination, here we need to select our destination where we have to store our image. So first we have to pass our context. So here I will pass directory underscore download. So finally we have to pass over image extension. So here I will pass .jpg, and here we have to press alt enter. Sorry, here you can select any directory from your phone. I will select download directories. So download manager dot enqueue, and here we need to pass our request. Okay, here you can choose any other directory. I have choose this download directory. You can choose any directory from your phone memory. So let's run the application again. Okay, our application running. So let's click on an image. You can see here we have image. Let's click here. You can see here it's open in full screen, and let's say I click on this download button, and let's see at the top you can see here it's downloading. So let's check over download directory. So close it, and here we will check over download directory. So I will type here download, and here you can see our image. Here you can see, here you can give any name. Let's say I type any my file name. Here you can choose any name according to your file and click on that image. So our full image in our full screen is working fine. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. Please give me your suggestion. Your suggestion is very meaningful for me. So if you still have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.